Ever wonder why some developers always seem to get noticed while others struggle to make an impression? The secret isn't just skill, it's how you present yourself in a clear, confident, and memorable way. And that's exactly what an elevator pitch can do for you. Hi, and welcome to English for Devs, the podcast that helps you communicate confidently in English, advance in your career, and stand out in interviews, networking events, or team meetings. Today, we're diving into the power of the elevator pitch. So why is an elevator pitch so important? Simply put, it lets you communicate who you are, what you do, and the value you bring in a way that's memorable. Whether it's a recruiter, a potential client, or a colleague, your pitch can open doors and create opportunities you might otherwise miss. A good elevator pitch should be short, about 30 to 60 seconds, enough to grab attention and leave the listener wanting more. You can follow these 5 steps to elaborate your own. 1. Introduction, who you are and your role. 2. Skills and expertise, your core strengths and what makes you valuable. 3. Impact, accomplishments, one brief example that proves your capabilities. 4. Value proposition, why your skills matter and how you solve problems. 5. Closing, CTA, invite a follow-up or keep the conversation going. Now, to make it real, here's Chloe Mitchell's elevator pitch. Chloe is a back-end developer, and she's going to show us how it's done.
Hi, I'm Chloe Mitchell, a back-end developer passionate about building scalable and efficient digital solutions. I specialize in Java, Python, and C#, with experience designing robust microservices, optimizing databases, and integrating APIs. I enjoy tackling complex challenges and collaborating with teams to turn ideas into reliable, high-performing applications.
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of English for Devs. We hope Chloe's elevator pitch gave you inspiration to craft your own. Make sure to follow the podcast, subscribe, and leave a comment to share your thoughts or questions. Your feedback helps us make every episode even better. Until next time, keep practicing. Debug your English. Ship your ideas.